विंटर समर में अलग अलग क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं.
So, can anybody tell me what do you know about clothes? What are clothes? Why we wear them?
कपड़े.
Yes.
T-shirt.
Okay.
बताओ मैम.
मैम टी-शर्ट.
T-shirt.
Okay, very good.
टी-शर्ट.
Yes. Okay. Now, Arjun, you tell me what do you know about clothes?
मैम
Yes.
we wear two clothes protect our body.
Very good. Very nice. Pihu, you tell me. What do you know about clothes?
क्या बोला फ्रॉक टी-शर्ट?
बोलो आप क्या वियर करते हो.
फ्रॉक.
Yes.
वो दिखे.
टी-शर्ट. स्कर्ट. ऑफ.
Mute. 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 Okay. Arjun, mute yourself. Arjun, mute yourself. Vanshika, unmute. You tell me what do you know about clothes? Yes, Vanya, you tell me what do you know about clothes?
मैम
Yes.
शर्ट. मैम.
Yes. What is clothes? What do you know about their clothes?
फ्रॉक. टॉप.
Yes. These are the clothes we wear. Okay. But why do we wear clothes? Do you know that?
No.
No. Okay. So today we will learn about why do we wear clothes and why clothes are necessary for us. Okay. And from where we get them. So I'll show you the PPT then. So today our topic of EVS is the clothes we wear. Okay, the clothes we wear. Why do we wear clothes and why are they necessary for us? So then clothes we wear. हम अलग अलग seasons में अलग अलग clothes पहनते हैं. We wear clothes for every season. We have different clothes. Like for summer we have different. For autumn we have different. For winter we have different, and for spring we have different type of clothes. In every season we don't wear same clothes. Why? Because we wear clothes according to our seasons. So how does it work? So second thing is, why do we need clothes? Clothes cover our body. What do clothes do? Clothes cover our body. हमारी body को cover करते हैं. What do? They cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and insect bite. What do? They protect us from heat. Direct sun rays हम पे नहीं पड़ती है. From cold, direct ठंडी हवा हमको नहीं लगती. Cold winds हमको directly हमारी body पे अगर हम clothes पहनते हैं तो नहीं लगती है. Rain, from rain they protect us directly. Rain doesn't fall on our body. Okay. Then insect bites. Directly no insect can bite on your body if you are wearing a clothes. On your naked body, insect can bite easily. We look smart when we wear clean clothes. जब भी हम अच्छे clean clothes पहनते हैं, we look very smart. Whenever we dress and go out nicely, we look very smart, right? Next, why do we do that? There are so many types of clothes according to the activities or occasions or according to the weather or season. Weather or season ke according and according to occasions, we wear different type of clothes. Like we wear different types of clothes for different purpose. We wear the school uniform when we go to school. Whenever we go to school, we wear only school uniform. Why? Because it is our dress code over there. We have to go in that dress only. Devyan Sharma, pay attention. So whenever we go to school, we wear school uniform. We don't wear school uniform at the birthday parties or any other functions. Do we wear that? क्या हम किसी की बर्थडे पार्टी में जाते हैं और स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहन के जाते हैं? Yes or no? No, we don't. Why? Because school uniform are only made to wear in the school. School uniform सिर्फ स्कूल में पहनने के लिए बनती है. That's why उसका particular goal होता है कि हमको स्कूल में पहनना है. We wear comfortable clothes at home. जब भी हम घर पे होते हैं, हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? We wear comfortable clothes. Comfortable clothes means the loose clothes in which we don't feel hot or we feel very comfortable in sitting, standing, sleeping. So these types of clothes we wear at home. Pajamas, t-shirts like this. Yes, shorts. We don't wear those clothes when we go out. We change and then go, right? जब हम कहीं बाहर जाएंगे तो क्या हम पजामा टी शर्ट्स में निकल जाएंगे? No, we will change our clothes and then we will go. We will go for market also, then also we will change those clothes because they are just the clothes you wear at your home. And you want to wear loose clothes, or you can say light color clothes, or old clothes which are very soft. So those clothes you like to wear at home. ऐसे कपड़े आप क्या करेंगे? घर पे पहनना पसंद करेंगे, right? Next is we wear comfortable clothes at home. After that, when we go for any functions, any parties, any occasions, do we wear school uniform or clothes that we wear at home? No. No. We buy new frocks, new t-shirts, new jeans for the occasions. Yes, and we wear those clothes on the occasions of parties, birthday parties, you can say marriage, you can say any other functions. So you wear those clothes on the special occasions, or you can say on Diwali, on any festival, right? So these are the clothes we wear on the festivals. Now, season and clothes. Summer, autumn, winter, and springs are 4 main seasons, right? There are more, but main 4 seasons are there. In summer, we wear shorts, slip-on, short shirts, or cap, or like we can say swimming suits. So these types of clothes are where we like to go to a water park or like this, na? So that type of clothes we wear. In autumn, that is not so winter, not so hot. That type of season we wear full sleeves shirts and like this gum boots and this types of normally clothes. So in winter we wear full gloves, scarves, caps and all that protect us from cold. And in spring seasons, that normal clothes do what we wear that clothes. Okay. So we wear mainly cotton clothes in summer. हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं समर में? Cotton clothes पहनते हैं. कैसे पहनते हैं? We wear cotton clothes. Everybody pay attention. We wear cotton clothes, right? So cotton clothes क्या करते हैं? They keep us cool. Cotton is the clothes which keep us cool. हमको ठंडा रखने की कोशिश करते हैं, right? So this is the clothes which we like to wear in winter or summer. Summer, right? This is the type of clothes we like to wear in summer. And see, when sun is very hot, we like to wear shorts, tops, frocks, and short shirts and jeans we can wear, right? In the next season, we like to wear, it's a winter season. So we wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. Like cotton clothes keep us cool, winter clothes keep us warm. Winter clothes, what do? They keep us warm. हमको गर्म रखते हैं. So when there is very cold, we wear 1, 2, 3, like this. Sweaters we wear. So sweaters, jackets, overcoats are some of the things we wear in winter. Thermals we wear, right? We wear thermals, right? Do you know what is thermals? The inner clothes which keep us warm, right? So we wear those clothes in winter. Winter, the woolen clothes are mainly worn. They are cap, gloves, sweaters, jackets, everything which we wear. So these are the winter clothings. You can see we have sweaters, gloves, jeans, socks, mittens, and jackets, gloves, so many things, cardigans, earmuffs. You wear that cartoon earmuffs over here? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. French coat, men's wear French coat also, cardigans, long coats. So many types of clothes we can wear in winter. Now clothes for a rainy season. In the rainy season, we wear some clothes which protect us from rain. So they are basically made up of plastic. किसके बने होते हैं? प्लास्टिक के बने होते हैं जो हमको रेन से बचाते हैं, जो हमको बारिश से बचाते हैं. The rainy season is the season when rain comes, right? So for protecting ourselves from the rain, we use such a clothes which are made up of plastic. We use umbrellas, we use gumboots, so or full rain suit, right? They protect us from rain. आप वो पहन के बारिश में बाहर जा सकते हो, correct? Then see, so many things we can wear. This is a plastic cap, gumboots, jackets. These are also a type of gumboots, jackets, full rain suit, umbrella, and rain sheeter or wind sheeter we can wear. So next we have, where do we get cotton from? So we wear cotton clothes, but do you know where do we get cotton from? No, we don't know. Now we will learn. We will get cotton from a cotton plant. From where we will get cotton? We will get cotton from a cotton plant. See, you can see the plant. इस तरह का प्लांट होता है जिसके ऊपर कॉटन ऐसे बॉल्स की तरह लगी हुई होती है. बट व्हाट हैपन, हम इस कॉटन को रिमूव करते हैं, देन प्रोसेसिंग होती है. इसकी प्रोसेसिंग होगी, उसके बाद इसको कंपनी में भेजा जाता है, देन इसका धागा बनता है, देन हमारे कपड़े बनते हैं कॉटन के. सो इट्स अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. कॉटन क्लोथ्स बनाने का बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस होता है. कॉटन को तोड़ा जाता है, देन उसके बाद उसको स्पिनिंग की जाती है, उसको अलग अलग किया जाता है, उसके बीज अलग होते हैं, उसका वो जो कॉटन पार्ट होता है उसको अलग करते हैं. फिर उसके बाद कंपनी में भेज के उसकी प्रोसेसिंग वापस होती है, फिर थ्रेड बनता है, और उसके बाद थ्रेड से वीविंग होके कपड़ा बनता है. कपड़ा बनने के बाद आपका ड्रेस बनता है. Right? So it's a long process. Or cotton, what does cotton do? Cotton absorbs sweat. आपका जो पसीना, sweat means पसीना. Cotton क्या करता है? आपका जो sweat होता है उसको observe करता है. absorb करता है, उसको अपने अंदर खींचता है, and अपनी बॉडी को cool रखता है. Right? So where we get wool from? We get wool from sheep. आप सबने पढ़ा होगा और जानते भी होंगे. You all must be knowing that we get wool from sheep. But how? You don't know how. How we get that? जो hair होते हैं sheep के, उसको कट करा जाता है, ठीक है, उसको इकट्ठा करा जाता है. देन सेम प्रोसेस जैसा कॉटन के लिए होता है वैसा इसके लिए भी होता है प्रोसेस. फिर इसका भी वुल का थ्रेड बनता है, देन स्वेटर्स बनते हैं और क्लोथ्स बनते हैं. गॉट इट? इट्स नॉट वेरी इजी. पहनना बहुत इजी होता है, बट इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे. बहुत टाइम लगता है इन चीजों को बनने में. सो just a small recap we are doing. Clothes cover our bodies and protect us from heat and cold. Clothes also protect us from insect bites and small injuries. We wear a uniform when we go to school. We wear cotton clothes in summer and woolen clothes in winter. In rainy seasons, we wear raincoat. And for something I can say about uniforms also, every profession have a different uniform. Yes or no? Like doctors have their different uniform, policemen have their different uniform, right? Fireman has their different uniform. So each and every profession have their own uniform. So by looking at their uniforms, we can make out how is the who is the man or a woman over there. Like if somebody is wearing white coat, so आप कैसे पहचानोगे what is he or she, उसका occupation या what does he do, कैसे पहचानेंगे हम? We can say she is a doctor or he is a doctor. How? By looking at the dress. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, by looking at the dress, we can know what the profession the person is holding. वो किस profession में है हम बता सकते हैं. Suppose आप there are so many children standing with different uniforms, right? Somebody is wearing St. Paul's uniform, somebody is wearing Mangal Newton's uniform, somebody is wearing BL Hoti's uniform, right? But how can we make out कि ये बच्चे कौन-कौन से स्कूल के हैं? By looking at their uniform. Understood? हम कैसे मेक आउट करेंगे कि ये बच्चे कौन से स्कूल के हैं? by looking at the uniform. अगर हमको उनको अलग अलग करना है तीनों schools के बच्चों को, तो कैसे हम उनको अलग कर पाएंगे? By looking at their uniform. So this is what the uniform do, and it makes a profession, what we can say, strong, right? So that's all for today in this